Oh my god, no!
No, Michael Bro. Okay. Habit. Kill. No.
But it hit me first.
But it hit me first. We have snack.
Yeah.
My FPS is 2. My FPS.
You're teleporting, bro.
Yeah, my FPS is so high.
Oh my god, that's a deep read. I mean,
Taas ng ping.
Oh!
Oh my god, I fell.
Oh my god.
God, not to damage lang. Wow, hello zombie. No, don't kill me. Don't kill me. I'm innocent. I'm not yummy. No.
Tabi, boo! 360!
No. Help.
Yup.
I'm gonna do it myself.
Wait, Nick. Come here.
Okay, I'm dead.
Come here.
Okay. What is that?
Apple.
Oh. Yeah.
An apple a day keeps the doctor away. Let's go. The apple a day keeps the zombie away.
No, I didn't.
Oh,
It attract the zombie. See?
Come here. Let's fight. Oh my god, no!
No.
I'm not fighting that.
No, Paco Pro. Okay. Habit. Kill him. No.
This is dropping.
What's your position?
Oh my god, I'm dead. Let's eat some carrots.
What's your position? Oh my god. Why right now, bro? Why right now?
Thank you.
Why right now? Huh?
My fellas.
Yo, why you got heart? How did you feed? How did you get feed? How did you get fed?
Yeah, that's a glitch. Don't worry about it. Oh my god, you're here. Oh my god.
Hero Brian's here. 571 268.
Just look at the map, bro. Look at the map, bro.
I don't have a map.
Look at the map, my map, bro. Ang lapit pala na,
Where are you? Where am I? Okay, wait, let me see. I'm gonna go there.
Yeah.
Okay.
Go there. Straight on. Old version of Minecraft.
Where
is
are
just-
you now?
I'm just here. Find a big cave.
Okay, it's your name tag.
Okay, I'm gonna crouch.
Don't. Okay, I'm close. Okay, there's a ravine. Okay, I mean, where's my items? Oh!
Look!
I have no blocks.
Look, I just made a staircase for you. Then you're not... Oh.
Go up. Go.
Butangin ng zombie.
No, give me my stuff.
Butangin ng zombie.
What? It spawned? No!
Apple. Ah!
Where?
Our puppy, and then this, and then this.
Why is there grass?
And then get this.
Bro, I got no items but garbage.
Okay, that's not garbage. I shot you iron.
Okay, good. It's still a garbage.
Grab your tools and we're gonna go.
Okay.
Okay, let's just...
What are we live? Okay, I'm back.
Okay, we're back.
Hello guys.
You know, your boy's gonna find diamonds.
Wait,
You know the drill. Let's go.
where's my... Okay, got it. What do I craft? Iron pickaxe and... Iron axe.
Okay, let's go. Pwede natin to kasi ano nito si
Or shovel.
Yeah, you should craft
Axe.
That's nice.
I craft the axe.
Why did you craft the axe? You dummy.
Kasi it's cool.
We're not in Java edition.
Boom! Jump back. You okay? Where, bro? Where? Tell me why.
Ain't nothing but a heart. Okay, just here. I see you. You're here.
I see you.
Spider Dave. You
May ginto.
better behave.
Oh yeah, let's make a portal.
I don't like a portal, bro. It's a bad idea.
Okay, I see redstone.
Oh my god.
Oh, now we know our home.
Oh my god. Okay, grab that and you're gonna grab some golden.
Where the heck are you?
pellets.
Where the heck are you? How do you teleport, bro? How do you teleport? Ay, fuck.
Wait. There could be diamonds here. Oh.
Na.
Oh yeah. Hindi kami gamitin mo.
Hindi, upo muna kami.
Wait.
Look.
No, why did you drop it?
Nah. Yummy.
There's a spider in my ceiling. Oh, lapis.
Redstone, lapis. Ooh, may redstone.
Oh,
Oh, lapis.
may lapis. Panulat.
Panulat. Okay.